Hey guys, how are all you? Welcome back to the channel again. In today's video, I'll be simply showing you the genuine step-by-step guide to create or to make God in your Infinite Craft game application or website wherever you were playing it. So how to simply make God by adding one by one blocks to your Infinite Craft and then simply create God block on your game here. So let's drop into the steps. The first recipe requires combining a statue and an idol as a building material to make God. To create smoke, first combine the elements fire and wind. After obtaining smoke, you must combine earth and fire to produce lava. You must proceed with these two elements as the initial two blocks as the first step to creating God. The detailed lineage is as follow. You can simply screenshot this or just copy this from my screen. Firstly, you have to add fire plus wind, that is equal to smoke, then add earth plus fire, that is lava, then lava plus water, that is stone, and then smoke or stone, that is statue. After that, lava and stone to create obsidian, and after that, earth plus obsidian is equal to diamond block. And when you add diamond block to the statue block, it will create an idol, and then simply add idol and statue to create God. So this is how you can finally make God in your Infinite Craft. I hope you like this video and the solution. Please follow the channel for receiving more updates for technical videos and short updates like this.